Hi, I'm Melissa from Victoria, BC. The Canadian Tire Tested for Life program sent me this beautiful Camrose fire table dining set to test out and give my honest review. I love the table's beautiful tiles and the gray fire, and the fire pit in the middle is the perfect size. It puts out the perfect amount of heat as the evening cools off. The bar style chairs that provide a 360-degree swivel is the perfect to be able to get up from either side. Building the table and the chairs was so simple with the step-by-step instructions and tools provided. The only thing that I would change to improve this table would be on the bottom, making the seat cushions a bit longer so they don't tuck into the chairs frame. And secondly, I would get a protective glass around the fire pit so it would keep drinks from getting warm. We also picked up a table cover from our local Canadian Tire store to protect it from the weather. I highly recommend this table for a comfortable evening of dining outside. Thank you.